Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over if you invest $10,000 in Tsuzuki, what your potential return could be at the current price. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. So right now y'all see Tsuzuki sitting at 10,068. This is representation of a $68 million market cap. As you can see, $68 million fully diluted market cap. So in order to make our calculations, we're just going to be using a fully diluted market cap. How much your potential return would be if Tsuzuki went up 20 million, or lost to zero, went to 100 million, or lost 2 zeros, went to a billion. If you invested $10 right now, I'm going to show you how many shares you would get for that price and everything. So make sure y'all leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, right? I like viewing different cryptocurrencies on CoinGecko because you're able to see how many shares you'll get for the amount of money you want to put in. So for $10,000, we will get this many amount of shares. You take that number, you go to the words or numbers to words calculator, and for $10,000, as you can see, we'll get 147 trillion Tsuzuki. So we're gonna take that number and we take it to the stock calculator, and you enter in that under the numbers of shares you purchased. Now you take the price, the current price of Tsuzuki, or whatever stock you want to calculate. I have a link to the description of this website I'm using to get this stock calculator. Then you will paste that in the number of months on. You can just enter 1, and here is where you would play and see what the price sold at. You would just enter in different prices, and you can play with the numbers and see your potential return right under the share price when sold. So as you can see right now, for 147 trillion Tsuzuki coins, that is $10,000. Now let's say we go up to a $90 million market cap, which we reached earlier this morning. Right, that $10,000 will turn into $13,000. Right, and you will get a $3,000 profit off of that. Let's say we eat a zero and go to $100 million in market capital, something that's very possible. That $10,000 will now turn into $14,000, and you would have received $4,700 in profit. $200 million in market capital, that $10,000 now turns into $29,000, giving you a $19,000 profit. Let's say we go to 300 million. All of these numbers are very possible. 300 million. Right, with a $10,000 investment right now, that would turn that $10,000 investment to $44,000, giving you a $34,000 profit. And this is Tsuzuki. If it just loses 1 zero and it goes up to 300 million in market cap, 400 million in market cap, 400 million in market cap, that will bring that $10,000 to $58,000. Giving you a profit of $48,000 right now at the current price. If you was to buy $10,000 worth of shares, which is about 147 trillion shares. Just to be 100% thorough and correct with y'all, $500 million in market capital would take that $10,000 to $73,000, giving you a profit of $63,000. Pretty good numbers, right? Pretty good numbers. Let's say we go to 600 million in market capital. $600 million in market capital, it'll take that $10,000 to $88,000 right now at the current price if you bought $10,000 worth of Tsuzuki right now. Let's go back to the calculator. Let's say if we get to a $70 million market capital. $70 million market capital will take that $10,000 and turn it to $102,000, giving you a profit of $92,000 from that trade. Now, let's say we go to 800 million, 800 million in market capital. It'll bring that $10,000 to $117,000, giving you $100,000 in profit if we go to a $800 million market cap. Just to give you some reference, a coin that has the similar total supply and a similar play to earn gain functionality that was like this was Mononoke. Mononoke went as high as $750 million in market capital in 1 month. Tsuzuki is 13 days old. Just want to give y'all a little bit of perspective, right? So this is at $800 million market cap. That $10,000 will turn into $117,000. Right. So we go to 900 million. That 900 million in market capital would turn that $10,000 into $132,000, giving you $122,000 in profit. Now, let's say we lose a zero and go to $1 billion in market capital. That $10,000 would turn into $147,000, giving you $137,000 profit on that original $10,000 investment. That's if you invest in Tsuzuki at the current price you see it on the screen. Now, if you watch this video and Tsuzuki is higher or lower, and you invest 10,000, you may get more or less shares, right? It all depends on when you buy in, right? With all of these crypto projects, your profit not only depends on how much money you put in, but when you buy in. So right now, the current market cap is at $68 million. Definitely a potential to eat a zero. In the greatest scenario, this coin will eat 2 zeros. So Tsuzuki, audited project, getting listed on multiple exchanges, and this is going to be a very big play to earn game. They're releasing over 8 different play to earn games on their network. So project real promising. I told y'all earlier they went up as high as $92 million in market capital. Obviously people that got in early sold, but I'm still holding this down, just bringing y'all a little report on Tsuzuki, how much you would make if you invested $10,000 at the current price, how much you would make on a rise up to $1 billion in market capital. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all the support. All right, peace.